Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, December 30th. The reflection for today is grace. Grace is always with you. It waits patiently for you to ask it to walk beside you or even to lead you at times. Grace wants to show you the magic and contentment you can create with its power. Grace is divinity. Grace is permission. Grace is your ticket to reach your greatest potential. Ask grace to come forward and then wait just a bit. Now, do what it is you want to do. Grace is the gift. Grace is the warm hand on your back. Grace is the peace you receive when you know what is right for you. Grace is quiet and discreet. It requires a part of you to be still long enough so that you can focus on the task at hand. Grace shows you how to honor yourself by pulling up the divine energies within you. Grace is a messenger from God, a constant companion and true caretaker, for it allows you to empower yourself when you need. Grace requires belief. Belief that you can have or do something. Belief that with inner strength or grace, you can do whatever you need to at this moment. Grace is merely an extension of the divinity that is you. When you realize that, your dreams, truth, and contentment become real, and you are whole. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, relax your body, and arrive into stillness. Maybe your eyes are closed or open, whatever you wish. And now take a few nice, comfortable breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now repeat after me, silently or out loud. Grace will walk with me and share my heart today and always. I invite grace to join me on my journey into wholeness. I ask now and always. I experience the grace in my life. I will be still and listen so that I can feel its calm and empowering strength. Let's do it one more time. Grace will walk with me and share my heart today and always. I invite Grace to join me on my journey into wholeness. I ask now and always. I experience grace in my life. I will be still and listen so that I can feel its calm and empowering strength. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue this, to simply breathe and simply be. Let your mantra for today be Grace will walk with me and share my heart today and always. I invite Grace to join me on my journey into wholeness. I ask now and always. I experience the grace in my life. I will be still and listen so that I can feel its calm and empowering strength. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. I will see you on Thursday. Have a beautiful day.